Hey everybody, my name is Jason. I'm the chef at Oregon State University's Food Innovation Center. I love drinking wine and I love Oregon fruit and berries. So I figure I could combine the two and make a delicious sangria. And so our recipe today is gonna feature watermelon, frozen raspberries, dried cranberries, fresh pear, blackberries, and some cherries. We're gonna move quick, right? I am just gonna put these things together because they're gonna be delicious, but you can substitute in different Oregon fruits and berries, whatever you have around at the house. Let's get started. The base for this recipe is gonna be this wine here, right? This is a Pinot Noir from A to Z Winery. What I think is gonna be easiest is putting the fruit right in the glasses. And I'm cutting these in different ways, so I like to make the pieces a little bit bigger and more bite-sized because we're gonna eat them after we drink the wine. Start with some dried cranberries, putting in some frozen raspberries. It's gonna help us keep our drink cold. Keep filling in the cups with some pear, blackberry, putting in the watermelon, and now we're gonna add our wine. All right, everybody, there you have it. We have our delicious sangria made with a bunch of Oregon products. I'm gonna take this and go that way. Thanks.